This is a quick routine for when you are at work and you need to stay at your desk. So start by moving your shoulders up and back, really bringing your shoulder blades together when you move them back and bringing your shoulders up towards your ears. Hold them there for a second and then let them go. So doing this a couple more times, holding them up there, and then letting them go. Now move your shoulders separately from each other, kind of in a swimming motion, bringing your shoulders back almost like you're shimmying in slow motion. And then hold them back there, really pulling your shoulder blades close together, keeping your shoulders back as far as they will go, and then do the shimmying, swimming, in slow motion move again. So really moving your shoulders and then hold them back there. Really feel the tightness between your shoulder blades. Now bring your hands behind the back of your chair and interlace your fingers. I'll spin so you can see. Clasp them however you can. And then allow that to pull your shoulders back while you lean your chin towards your chest, getting a nice stretch through the back of the neck. Hold this there, and then bring your head over to the right side, holding it to center, and then to the left side. You should feel a nice stretch through your neck. Now look up, but don't crane through the back of the neck. And then look over toward the left. And over down toward the right. And then release the hands, bring them to your lap. Scoot forward in your chair so that your feet are nicely planted on the ground. And then we're going to do a motion where we bring our chest forward and then we round backward. Chest forward, round backward. So this is like a cat-cow, only seated. So we're bringing our heart towards the front of the room, and then we're rounding navel towards spine. So I'll turn sideways so you can better see. But as we exhale, we bring the navel towards the spine. Inhale, bring our chest forward. Exhale, navel in. Inhale, chest forward. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, round. Inhale, come forward. From here, we're going to take our hand and turn it so that you're getting a nice stretch through the wrist. So you're placing your hand wherever is comfortable on your leg. The further you move your wrist down towards your leg, switch hands, the more of a stretch you're going to feel in your wrist. So you can ease up on it if it's painful. Do some wrist circles with one hand. Going the other direction, make sure you hit both ways, and then with the other hand. It's okay if it does some popping and cracking. That's just natural. It means there's a buildup of gas in the joints. Hold your fingers back. Don't try to pop them. Just hold them back, and then hold the wrists down, fingers towards the ground. Now, grab a pen, just a normal pen, and we're going to rub it between our palms, getting a nice kind of flowing motion through the sides of our hands, our palms, really into the meaty part of your hand. It probably hurts. I know it does for me, but it's a good way to increase circulation and get the hands feeling better after all the writing and typing. From here, we're going to reach up and over. So you can hold onto your chair to stabilize you, but you're reaching your hand up towards the ceiling and then over your body, And now to the other side, up and over. You can waken the chest up by moving slightly. Then bring your left leg on top of your right leg into a figure 4. And you're going to bend forward and just hold this, getting a nice stretch through the hips. Try to keep the hips level. And then allow yourself to relax right over it. So this is the first thing that probably looks weird to your colleagues. But it feels really good. So switch to the other side. Again, leveling the hips, making sure everything feels good, and allowing yourself to drape over your leg. Roll up slowly. And then we're going to lift the heels up and down, little calf raises while you're sitting, like you're prim and proper schoolgirl. Raise your hands all the way up towards the ceiling and then allow yourself to collapse over your legs like a rag doll. Roll up slowly halfway, rag doll down. Roll up slowly halfway, ragdoll down, keeping the chin into the chest. Nice stretch through the back of the neck. Roll up slowly all the way to a seated position. And bring your hands to your lap. Allow your shoulders to relax. Make sure they're up, not up near your ears again. Let your eyes close if that's something you can do. And then breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. In through the nose, out through the mouth. In through the nose, out through the mouth. You did it. Namaste. Thank you for joining me in this quick little reset that you can do at work. If you enjoyed the video, please click subscribe